There was a video a lot of you sent to us over the past couple days here of seals sneezing.
Seal sneezes, yeah.
Okay, I thought this was one of those videos that was like maybe overdubbed or something, but you think this is legit? This is real video of seals sneezing?
Yeah. You can see like the sneeze actually come out of their nose.
Okay, so you can see projectile coming out of their nose.
You know what it looks like? It looks like almost like when you try to fight off a sneeze and like stop it, like which we learned that your body can explode from.
Did we learn that before?
Medical facts.
You shouldn't hold in sneezes?
Yes.
Okay.
But that's what the seal's trying to do, it looks like, and it just can't.
All right, this is the noise of seals sneezing. Great. All right. It sounds like farts. Like that. Is that why this is so funny? Because seal sneezes sound like farts, right?
The only reason.
That first one, if you have a fart that sounds like the first one, you got problems. Like the first one, that's not a fart. If your fart sounds like that, you have
That's a run for the bathroom.
That is medical attention right there. Oh yeah, especially if you just let that one rip in public. That is, you're getting a little something extra there. But the other ones sound like farts, I think. Like that's a fart right there, right? That's a fart. That's a fart. That's a fart. They're all farts except this. That's, a seal sneezing. But now the mention of any sort of animal on our show will now lead us to this.
Who's ready for an educational adventure in nature? Some wild animals decided to make sweet love and share their beautiful song with the world.
Yeah.
It's time for animal mating noises with Mikey and Bob.
What do you got for me here? An elephant seal?
I searched for about a half an hour. I really did some research here, but the only seals I could find were elephant seals.
You searched seal mating for half an hour during the show today?
Yeah, I dug in here.
All right, here's the mating noises of an elephant seal. What is... Are you serious? Hold on a minute. That is the mating? Like, you watched this video. That is elephant seal mating right there?
I watched, yeah.
Now, hold on one second, because I know exactly what this sounds like here. All right, that is when you're sitting on the toilet. That's a toilet fart right there, right? Listen to...
You hear the echo from the bowl?
Listen to the echo in the bowl and everything. Elephant seal mating is the equivalent of humans farting on the toilet. Yep. That's what it is. 100%. Okay, did you just look up on YouTube humans farting on toilets? Because that's exactly what elephant seal mating sounds like. You get the echo of the bowl and everything, man, right there. All right. Very educational show. You now know what it sounds like when a seal sneezes and what elephant seal mating sounds like. It's the Kiss Morning Freak Show. Mikey and Bob.